Hello friends and greetings from Snæfellsnes Peninsula in the very west of Iceland. Here we are taking a flight at Saxholl crater or a volcano from 3 to 4,000 years ago. The crater rises 109 meters above the sea level. The remnants of a quarry can be seen on one side of the crater. They almost destroyed half of the mountain, half of the volcano. It's good they stopped in time. Now it is one of the most popular tourist attractions on Snæfellsnes Peninsula in the very west of Iceland. Saxholl crater is situated very close to Hellissandur, which is the westernmost settlement of its size in all of Europe. Or better to say, in all of Eurasia. Which make this place truly the end of the world. Once you get to the top, you have an amazing view over the Atlantic Ocean and also over Snæfellsjökull volcano, which is right next to Saxholl. Snæfellsjökull is a 700,000 years old glacier-capped stratovolcano in the west of Iceland. And sometimes it can be seen from the city of Reykjavik over Faxaflói Bay at the distance of 120 kilometers. The mountain is one of the most famous sites in Iceland, primarily due to the novel Journey to the Center of Earth from 1864 by Jules Verne, in which the protagonists find the entrance to a passage leading to the center of Earth on Snæfellsjökull. In this novel, two Germans, accompanied by one Icelander, descend to the center of Earth through Snæfellsjökull, and with lots of adventures they travel in the underworld, exiting their journey at Stromboli volcano in Italy. Snæfellsjökull, being a stratovolcano, is the only large central volcano in this part of Iceland, and it has many pyroclastic cones on its flanks. Upper flank craters produced intermediate to felsic materials. Several Holocene eruptions have originated from the summit crater and have produced felsic material with pumice, from the two most recent major eruptions being alkaline trachyte, trending in composition close to rhyolite. Lower flank craters have produced basaltic lava flows with classical basaltic composition. The latest flank eruption was 0.1 cubic kilometers big of basaltic material in the 4.5 square kilometers size. Vayu-Hroin lava flow and occurred shortly after the last central volcano eruption. The main eruption has been explosive and originated from the summit crater. It is dated to about 200 years AD after Christ in historical times, when Iceland had been uninhabited. That's when Snæfellsjökull erupted for the last time. There you see it in the background, the mountain covered with fog. It's so common to see it in fog. It rarely opens up. It's always cloudy on Snæfellsnes, very often. In around Snæfellsnes we have many such small craters from historical times, quite a few of them, and Saxholl being one of those. Saxholl is an excellent sightseeing attraction for those who do not want to hike too far. The crater is approximately 100 meters high, with a useful walking path and steps in order to make the ascent as easy as possible for the guests. But there is one problem always there: it's too windy. Even my drone struggled with the wind that day, and I couldn't even fly above the crater because the winds were simply insane. Saxholl in fact has two craters, though most of guests will only summit the first one, which we are filming, due to its close proximity to the road Utnesvegur 574. And from the top of the crater, as I told, one is blessed with incredible views over the Atlantic Ocean and the expansive dry lava fields of Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Saxholl is one of the best examples of seeing a crater in Iceland that once shot hot magma from the earth, sculpting the landscape around it. And there in the background you see its twin crater. So it's big Saxholl and small Saxholl. Sax in Icelandic means a short one-edged sword, and holl stands for a hill. So it's a short hill, or you can call it an axe hill, something like that. Now they made a beautiful park in here, as you see, and it's very easy to come and park a car. And there's even a table if you wish to have lunch. To get to the top of the crater, you hike the stairway, which has 396 steps. And the stairs were built in 2014 and 2018. This project was awarded Rosa Barba International Landscape Prize in 2018. In fact, since 2017, the project at Saxholl Crater has been awarded 4 times in just 1 year, including the prize mentioned. I was at this crater back on Monday with a group of tourists when I was driving Snæfellsnes peninsula day tour. I hiked this crater so many times I lost the count, but if you ever come to Iceland, I highly recommend you to go to Snæfellsnes peninsula and stop at this crater and many more beautiful locations along this amazing part of Iceland. Sometimes call it Iceland in miniature, because you find every form of landscape here. Anyway, enjoy the footage. Peace and blessings from Iceland. Be well and God bless.